To replace a door or drawer handle mounting post on this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a 1/8 inch Allen wrench and a T25 Torx bit. Use the 1/8 inch Allen wrench to loosen the 2 set screws, securing the appropriate handle. With the screws loosened, you can fully remove the handle. Now use the T25 Torx bit to unthread the mounting post you're replacing, if still intact. To install the new handle mounting post, thread it into the door or drawer front and tighten. Realign the handle on the mounting posts and tighten the set screws.